Alright. Let me get back into the game. You should be safe there, yeah. I hope so. That is the furthest explosion out, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. So it's like something like there. Let's measure one time. Yeah, I should be safe there. Alright, so no, I can't even get in there. Okay, let's do this one. Alright. Let me ask. Let me go and inspect. So, if there's someone new here, let me just go through it real quick. This right here is my little farm for the Eater of Souls. I farm those to get chunks and then buy the dust from the NPC to spawn the boss down here and kill him and get money. But I need to expand this. So that's why I've placed some exploosions here. It's 5 times nine. So it's 45 explosions here, all linked with this range. So I'm going to blow this part up, hopefully, something like that. So let's see how it goes. Let's see how this goes. Do I have the lever with me? Yes, I'm kind of scared. This is kind of scary. It's a lot of explosions here. Okay, let's stand here. Okay, this should work. And let's attach the thingy-badingly. Alright, I should be safe here, right? I should be safe. Should we do this? Oh look, a little slimy. Maybe he wants to be here in the explosions. Let's bring up the minimap and see what happens. Alright. Let's make this 3, 2, 1. Did you hear that? Did you hear that sound? Let's inspect it. Let's inspect this. Yes, look at this. Kaboom! It worked, guys. It worked.